Hi, everybody. AJ Colby here in the Weather Center, and happy Friday. Hope you're having a terrific day today. Boy, the sun is out. It is a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. It has been through the morning and afternoon hours. It started off chilly, though. A lot of folks beginning in the 30s, and I think we have another morning like that tomorrow. But half the weekend looks pretty good, as we've been saying, forecast first around here, and that's what we're going to do and give you half the weekend to start. So check that out as we bring it in detail. Sunday, still looking rainy right now. We had this in the forecast if you joined us recently. Rain looks likely, and temperatures in the mid 60s. So that's still pretty mild, but 100% probability of rain. The rain does begin to wind down on Veterans Day. Showers in the morning, then some sunshine, at least partly sunny skies, I would say, going through the afternoon hours on Monday. High near 60. And Tuesday, bright sunshine, 55. That is not too shabby, I would say. Definitely the pick day of the upcoming week. And then on Wednesday, another round of showery weather is possible. I think it will be later in the day with a high on Wednesday of 62 degrees. Okay, let's check in on the forecast out on the nearshore waters of Lake Erie. You can see a little bit of wave action there, some baby whitecaps. Small craft advisory in effect out on the lake. North wind becoming northeast at 15 to 20 knots tonight. Waves are 3 to 6 feet, so a bumpy ride. East winds tomorrow. Small craft advisory comes down, though, with waves subsiding a bit, 2 to 4 footers. The water temperature actually came up a degree to 60. I guess that's the kind of season we've been dealing with, to say the least. Here's a look from outer space now. And as we show you, most of the state awash in bright sunshine. There were some clouds today over Ashtabula, Lake Geauga counties, also eastern Cuyahoga near the end of the day, but skies will be mostly clear tonight. There will be some high-level clouds perhaps floating by from the weather system out to the west. There's a little wider view of the scenario, and then here's the U.S. view. That's our weather system on Sunday. That is out over the Rockies right now and just about ready to spin into the panhandle of Texas. Up around Amarillo is where we find some clouds, some showers, and thunderstorms. Rafael, meantime, is lollygagging there in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico. Category 2 hurricane right now. Rafael continues to spin. Boy, that track has been highly suspect, and the element of much curiosity, including computer forecast models. Now we've shifted that cone, that forecast position, well to the south of the U.S. mainland. And look at that. It just sort of meanders as a tropical depression. That's the forecast. We take it down right now. Rafael has maximum sustained winds to 110 miles an hour, movement west at 9. But the forecast is to really just meander this thing through the weekend on into the middle of next week. So it keeps it away from the U.S. mainland. That's great news, obviously, and away from Mexico, which is also great news for those folks. Okay, radar showing some water falling, raindrops, Ottawa to Montpelier, south of Quebec, and then off to the west, Wichita, Tulsa, picking up some copious rainfall. Meantime, maps in motion as we take this now through tonight and into the overnight hours. Big area Canadian high pressure sprawled over the Great Lakes. It's going to keep the weather very quiet here for the first part of the weekend. This is tomorrow morning. High pressure centered over eastern Lake Huron and drifting over to just to the north of Buffalo, heading toward Ottawa, Toronto. Those folks under high pressure. Meantime, we can see we're painting a pretty good stripe of rain, that green from the Dakotas down to Iowa, Missouri, Texarkana over to Louisiana. Tomorrow night, that shifts into Indiana and perhaps even into western Ohio. By Sunday morning, we are looking pretty soggy, so the raindrops will definitely be falling. You have any plans to do outdoor stuff? that would require a dry atmosphere. Saturday, tomorrow, is definitely the pick of the 2 weekend days. You can see even into Sunday evening, the cold front just trying to exit the state. And then Veterans Day will still be dealing with a few rain showers. Here's future radar. You can see dry through the day tomorrow. And then by Sunday morning, after about 6 or 7 in the morning, moving from west to east, we'll have raindrops fall. So showery weather is in the offing. Our forecast goes as follows for tonight: mostly clear skies. There'll be some decorative clouds up there. It'll be a brisk, chilly night with a northwest wind coming in with a bit of gusto, 10 to 15 miles an hour. Sunset at 5:14. We lose 3 more minutes of daylight. Overnight low 38. Inland nooks and crannies may get down to freezing. Sunny skies tomorrow, a seasonably cool high of 58. That's actually just above average for this time of the year by a few degrees. Sunrise 7:09. East winds will have eased a little bit at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now we look ahead. Just in case you missed it, Sunday, here are the raindrops. Rain is likely, 64. Rain early on Monday. Our Veterans Day high near 60. We're hoping to break out into partly sunny skies later in the day. 42 Monday night. Tuesday, sunshine galore, 55. That's right on par for this time of the year, down to 36 Tuesday night. Wednesday, rain late, and hopefully a little bit of sun. Probably not much, though. We're looking at a high on Wednesday of 62, down to 42 at night as raindrops fall Wednesday through the afternoon. That appears to be the timing right now. Hope you guys have a tremendous weekend. As always, I appreciate you stopping by from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I am meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.